What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I think, is a Boxycharm unboxing, but can we talk about the size of this box? I don't know how excited I should be considering how small the box is. Let's just say that my expectations for what's inside are not very high. So this is my base box and if you're interested in seeing what I got, because I am, then keep on watching. Okay, I saw this at my front door and it was upside down. I'm like, what is this? And I was like, what? Fuck? Why is it so small? Anyways, I guess size doesn't matter, right? We all know that's a lie. Okay, yeah, if you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you are feeling like it, subscribe. I would appreciate it. All right. So this month's theme is Dare to Dazzle. So, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Maybe I got a little too ahead of myself. The first product is this Marc Jacobs At Lash Lengthening and Curling Mascara. This finally extreme length and curl plus epic definition come together in one ultra luxe long wear mascara. Oh, I actually did get a sample of this. Oh my god, I love this packaging. Black and gold. I did get a sample of this and I actually really do like it. So this retails for $27. I mean, the wand isn't anything like super impressive, and I will say this formula is like on the wetter side. You guys know what I'm talking about, how some mascaras can be kind of like just extra wet, so just have to be very careful when applying it, but it is a very good mascara. Oh, okay, that's awesome. I'm happy with this right here. Okay. Oh, I remember. I chose the next product. Okay. So the next product is this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer Illuminating. Silicone free. The illuminating primer visibly creates a glow from within. A blend of micronized pearls reflects natural luminosity, while porcelain flower extracts promote long-term radiance. So this retails for $39. You know what I've been doing recently that I love though? I've been using my Versali liquid glass primer, and I've been like dabbing a little bit on my cheekbone before I put my highlighter down, and it makes my highlighters look amazing. All right, moving on. Next is this Skin Regimen 1.85 HA Booster. Whatever the fuck that is. Okay. A hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked, to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, and restore optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrance. 99.2% natural origin ingredients. And they are trying to convince me that this retails for $115. Okay, let's see what a $115 primer looks like. I don't even think I've heard of this brand before. And it's like super basic. Clearly the money didn't go towards the packaging. I don't know, whenever I get like these products from Boxycharm that they claim have these ridiculously high retail value, it's like I want to try it because I just want to see how good it really is, you know what I'm saying? But I have so many serums at the same time. I don't know, I will have to decide if I'm going to try it or if I'm going to put it for a giveaway. Alright, next we have, I swear I just got this. And it's dirty too. I swear I just got this. Was it from my Ipsy? Okay, it is this Ma Palim, I don't know, eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. Okay. Retails for $39. Hold on. I swear. Haha! I'm not crazy. I literally just got this in my Ipsy Plus. Okay. I wasn't excited about it when I got it in my Ipsy Plus, and I'm not excited about it now. Alright, next we have this Zoeva Pure Velours Lips Liquid Lipstick. This retails for $15, and this is in the color Clear Message. Let's see. Please be a color that I like. Okay. So it's kind of like a brownish nude. It's a little bit too brown for my liking, but okay. And then the last product is this Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. Ooh, it's in Sandals. I've been loving like cream blushes. I've been obsessed with them actually. Here is the component. Don't know how I feel about this color. Let's see. Okay, it's a lot prettier on. It's kind of like a rose, I would say, like a deep mauve. I will definitely use this as like a cream blush. Alright, and this retails for $22. So let's calculate the retail value, and I know it's going to be super high because of that serum. So the retail value is $257. Alright, I am so excited about the Marc Jacobs mascara, the Laura Mercier primer, this cream lip and cheek tint. Yeah, those are the products that I am excited about. The rest will be going in a giveaway. I still haven't decided on the serum though. I'm really not happy about this, okay? Number one, I've gotten 2 of them. Number 2, I've never even heard of this brand. And I don't know. What do you guys think about this box? Overall, I am pleased with it. I mean, for however much it is these days, $25, literally the mascara pays for the box itself, so I am happy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you in my next video. Bye.